Guys, I've just made my way down this slope crying. Like, I was literally sobbing the whole time. Welcome back to a new video in Japan!
1 year ago, we were working on corporate jobs full-time in London, office to home, home to office. And today we are in Japan about to ski in the Alps. How insane is that?
So insane.
Look where we are. Beautiful landscape surrounded by snow white mountains. And I'm pretty sure that's the slopes that we are going to, one of those maybe. We've got a 20-minute drive, freezing cold. Caro wants to go into the car, so let's not wait any longer.
For those of you that didn't watch our previous video, we slept in the car last night. And let's just say we didn't really sleep. It wasn't really
It didn't
great.
go as planned.
Yeah, our super comfy imaginary home that we created was actually really uncomfortable, and we had so much pain. We just kept waking up during the night. In terms of temperature, it wasn't too bad, but then we decided to move ourselves to sleep on these seats here. We've come to ski in a very popular area in Japan called Hakuba. And the reason why it's so popular is because it was the host of the 1998 Winter Olympics. The good thing about skiing in this area is that it's so close to Tokyo. If you go on the expressway, it will probably take like 3 hours to get here. And it's not just that, they also have a lot of ski resorts. But for us, the choice was a little bit limited because it's the end of season. I don't think we mentioned, but today is the 3rd of April or 4th of April, which means there is hardly any snow left. And the slope we are going to is called Sugaike Kogen, I think.
There's going to be a slight change in quality. We are recording with the Osmo Action and no mics because we don't want to risk breaking the camera going down our first slope. We've done a bit of research on where to rent our skis in this area, and Caro came across Uchigawa Sports, which is meant to be good quality on affordable prices. Feels like we just went shopping to the supermarket. We've had to rent helmets, gloves, outfits, ski. Caro's doing ski and I'm doing snowboard. And overall it cost us for the whole pack about £105. And then we need to buy the day pass for the ski resort, which we'll find out later on. But now it's time to try.
It's also so far the cheapest ski rental I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. So cutie. Such a cutie. This is Caro's dream right now in real life. I've got my snowboard boots. Caro's putting on her ski boots, but we are going to be matching for the first time ever.
We literally have everything matching.
Even the trousers.
Gosh, I'm out of breath. Like closing that boot, my hand is red.
I'm in love with my snowboard. It's really making me want to buy it. If we had the budget. These are Caro skis. They're quite sexy as well.
It's alright. It's pretty
Good.
standard. Yeah, Max is just trying to hype me up. They're pretty basic. Nothing like that. This is the mountain we're going to be going on. And I can't lie, the beginner's course looks really fun. This green line here through the woods. I'm
excited. That's going to be amazing footage there.
Guys, you're not going to believe this. There's a restaurant in the middle station area. And guess what restaurant it is? A Burger King. There's a Burger King. I know where we're having lunch today.
What the hell, Burger King? We are going on the gondola now. If you have a snowboard, they give you this envelope so that it doesn't damage.
Oh my god, this is so fast! Like in a roller coaster.
This is amazing. It's all snowed, as you may see.
I'm not sure we should have rented the jackets. I'm feeling very hot, boiling.
But it's one of those that if we don't, then it starts getting cold. But the peak of the mountain is all covered by clouds.
Oh, then people are skiing! Well, more like snowboarding.
There is a lot of people snowboarding here in Japan, which in reality is the coolest sport. Those people that do skis, I don't know why would you even do that?
I tried, okay, and then I almost broke my ribs.
You tried doing snowboard?
Yes, I tried doing snowboard and I almost broke my ribs in Finland or wherever it was. Oh. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm done.
You okay?
Oh, I hurt my ribs. Coming in. It's the fastest thing that I've ever been on.
This place is nuts. So if we had kept going up a bit more, this would have been the slope down. This one is a bit scary.
The cool thing about this place is that even if you don't want to ski or snowboard, they still have activities for anybody. Look at that thing there. I can't even describe it. It's,
what the hell?
So cool.
And this is the Burger King that we'll be going later to have lunch.
We've never had Burger King on a slope before, so we have to try it. We have no idea what color this is. There's no sign, so we're just kind of going down and hoping for the best. There's Max. He doesn't even need a practice run. He's already got the hang of it. I need a practice run. Coming all the way to the bottom is pretty tough because the snow has melted, which means once you finish the slope, you just gotta get your skis off and then walk all the way up.
This time we chose to get off at the tallest part of the mountain. It's got to a point where we can't even see anything. If you don't see anything on the camera, it's not you, it's the weather. Foggy.
Not many people skiing today, literally just me. Oh no, you took a fall. Damn, this is so steep. What the hell? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. No. I haven't seen it ages. I'm not ready. I came down like no.
You can't really see it on camera, but the crazy thing about this ski resort is that nearly all the slopes were so inclined, even the green ones. This felt like a red slope, not a green one.
I'm being such a granny. I'm just so scared to go fast. I can't see anything. Like it's snowing and it's going in my eyes and we didn't rent goggles. It's really hard. It's really hard to see. I'll ditch it like this. Beautiful scenery though.
As we were going down, we decided to go down the fancy slope. Yeah, the one that we saw at the beginning going through the forest, that one. We were surprised because it was a really flat slope, and at some points I couldn't even keep going. I had to push myself, although the views were really impressive. The whole way we had to go down this road, and you really had to control yourself because if not, you could have easily gone down the mountain, and I can say it wouldn't have been an easy ride down.
Absolutely love it, but it was really boring and it made my feet really hurt. I can't lie, the beginner's course looks really fun. I'm not saying boring in that way, it was just
very
slow.
Yeah, very monotone. And
you can't please me. I don't want too fast, I don't want too slow. Where is the perfect slope for me?
After this really nice slope, we decided to go back up to the top of the mountain, and instead of coming down the slope, the green one that we came down earlier, we tried coming down the red one. And remember when I said that slopes here are steeper than what they should be? Well, here's where it all went wrong.
Guys, I've just made my way down this slope crying. Like, I was literally sobbing the whole time This is supposedly here a red slope, and it goes even higher up. You can't see how steep it is, but it just goes steep, and my thighs are burning so much that like I couldn't brake, so I almost died like 100 times. So I was just trying to survive and make my way down, and Max was just waiting for me. And how did I arrive?
She arrived crying. I mean,
crying. I was sobbing.
I couldn't see her, but as soon as she came, I was clapping like, "Well done, Boo, I'm proud of you." And then I was crying, and I was like, because I did kind of suggest to us.
He did the begging sign. Please, let's
go down this hill.
Whilst I was ready to go down the forest again. As soon as I saw this hill, I was like, no, I'm going on the forest. I'm not going here. And then he was like, please. So of course I wanted to be supportive,
the good
girlfriend, and it ended up slapping me in the face.
And I ended up being the bad boyfriend.
Yeah, it's actually your loss as well, because it took me probably 40 minutes to get down that thing.
To make it better, we're going to go to Burger King, have lunch, make sure that we can relax and recover our legs. We've reached the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's time for lunch in the mountains, a BK. I'm really impressed the fact that there's a Burger King and not a McDonald's. It may be that it is more popular in Japan. It's quite cool to have it in the mountains. This is lunch. Very big burger to share. The prices are quite reasonable, accounting that we are in a ski resort. But so far I've been noticing so many people doing snowboard, which in Europe is something that we didn't see much.
Hardly anyone snowboards.
I was thinking, the people that work in this Burger King, do they come in like a cable car to work?
Yeah.
Because if so, that's a very cool way of coming to work. Our plan is now just be on the greens, because although they are greens, in many other ski resorts they could easily be blue or even red, some of them.
The red here is the reds are blacks. Like, I'm sorry, that is not a red slope.
After eating the yummy food, I went to get the camera to take some amazing pictures, and in the meantime, Carol...
I've been walking around trying to get the blood flowing again to my legs, but I'm still in so much pain. The thing is that we do have 2 hours left of skiing, so I don't want to be the party pooper and the bummer that says, let's leave now, and I'm like, nope, I'm gonna fight through the pain. I'm ready to go on a green slope.
Too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car till it bends, because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Japan has been an amazing place to ski, probably the best place I've ever skied in my life.
It's been magical, just going down the slopes with the beautiful landscapes. It's been, I don't know, it felt like a dream.
And even though I cried, I have no regrets from today. I still had an amazing time.
We've had an amazing time together.
And as always, stop waiting and start living!
Let's go!